what is a cybercrime exactly?
The law does not explicitly define cybercrime, yet it is considered any breach of privacy, illegal access to the information, and misusing the information through an electronic platform.
So let me give you an example. Say, for instance, Peter always buys his groceries in a supermarket with a credit card. And now he decides this week to go and buy his groceries online from the supermarket using his credit card. However, 2 weeks later, he notices that transactions have been placed on his credit card that he hadn't authorized. Is that a cybercrime? And if so, how can he claim his money back?
If the credit card information sources through the internet, and somebody then uses it to get the credit card and the money from the credit card through the internet, we can define that as a cybercrime. The first action he has to take is to go to the bank, stop using the credit card, and then report it to the police for the credit card theft. He can file a case against the insurance company, if he has an insurance company. Insurance policies cover such crimes, and against the thief who stole his money using the internet with the online communication.
Okay, great. What is the punishment for a cybercrime in the UAE? Is it quite a high risk?
Worst case scenario, the highest potential sentence might be jail, a 1 million dirham fine, and deportation.
Great, so no to cyber hacking. On top of that, is having a VPN, a virtual private network, is that a cybercrime in the UAE?
Yes, it's a breach of UAE law and might be defined as a cybercrime.
If someone steals my domain, what are the steps I can take to get it back?
Well, first, if you have any doubt or want to protect your domain, we always recommend the client to register his domain as a trademark. The second point, if in case the domain has been stolen, the victim has the right to apply for the criminal case against the thief under cybercrime law, followed by a civil case before a UAE civil court. In some cases, the person who breaches the law wouldn't be based in the UAE, so we would recommend the client to apply for a case through an international organization like WIPO to claim his domain back.
So in terms of identity theft, can you give some legal advice to viewers on how to keep safe online?
If you received an email from somebody and you had doubts that he's the same person, check the source of your email and see if it's coming from his country or from a different one. You have to check to see if he's requesting you to send money somewhere and who the beneficiary is, because this beneficiary will be the owner of the real name. And in case there's a breach, your case could be filed only against the beneficiary of the bank account or by the person that actually received your money. Check the contact details and the content of the email online. If it's defined as a scam or not, the domain of the email and the email ID telephone numbers. And don't deal with people just based on crazy dreams. The last point I'll advise is that sometimes I can find it useful to appoint a third lawyer, appointed only by you just to investigate this transaction and advise whether or not it's legitimate or even possible. To receive more informative videos from our channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Please feel free to like, share, or leave a comment or question which will be answered in our next videos.